Hi everyone. Thank you to everybody for following, and for the new followers, I really appreciate the support. My name's Ali. I love sneezing. I love making sneezing videos and all sorts of other content as well. So you can always find me on social media. I'm Mistress Ali or Mistress Ali SA, but you can find me on my website, Mistress Ali, spelled ALLY.com. For any requests, you can email info@mistressali.com. So I hope you like my wig. It's new. Obviously, I've got really long red hair. It goes right down almost to my bum. So I like being able to have something shorter, and purple's my favorite color. You can see I've got it like absolutely everywhere. So yeah, I've had a lot of requests for stifles, and stifles worry me so much about my ears. So I'm gonna try some, but with my mouth open a bit. Also, I've had requests for earbuds instead of pepper, so I'm gonna give it a go. You can tell me what you think. I know for a fact that the earbuds don't work as well as pepper, because obviously I've tried it a few times before. So I'm just gonna get started. It's really nice hot weather today here in South Africa, so it's about 30 degrees, so nice and sweaty, in nice cool clothes, and just enjoying the summer. So let's get started. See, I've got a nose ring here, so I don't know if that maybe takes away the sensitivity, but hey. Do you like close-ups like this? See, it tickles, but it doesn't really make me feel like sneezing. No. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I've also tried with two. I'm happy to do that again. Let's see if this works. Oh, it tickles, but it doesn't actually bring on the sneezes. No. Good old faithful pepper. My powder, my chinkney powder, has got stuck at the airport here at customs, so we're just busy waiting for it to get unpacked. That and hankies, so I'm looking really forward to it. I've imported them from the USA, so I cannot wait, because for some reason we just cannot find hankies here in South Africa. So just take some pepper. Pepper always works for me. It just makes my nose tingle, and oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Phew! Excuse me. Phew! Excuse me. Phew! Oh. Oh, it makes my nose so ticklish. I just land up spitting all over myself if I try and stuff. I hate the feeling of stifling, though. I like just letting it out, because it makes me feel like a real release and a relief once it comes out, because it builds up with that tickle. Then I love the feeling of just letting go and having that really big sneeze. So I think one or two more, and then I'm going to wrap this up. Hope you like close-ups of my nose. Phew! You just saw my teeth. My nose. Phew! Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Once again, thank you for all of the support. Thank you for the follows, the loves, the comments. I love comments, and I really try hard to reply to every one of them, but please keep them coming. And if there's anything specific you're looking for, you're welcome to mention it in the comments, and I'll see if I can get to it. But otherwise, if you want something just for you, with all sorts of props or whatever, let me know, contact me, and we can work something out. Thank you so much, you wonderful sneezing people. I really love you. The support and everything has been amazing for someone new starting out here. So from me to you, I'm sending you lots of kisses, lots of love, and saying thank you for the support, and keep being wonderful. Mwah.